Hey, what's up, everybody? Sean Tipping here. I'm the host of the Automotive Diagnostic Podcast. I also run a mobile diagnostics and programming company in the Twin Cities, Minnesota area. I'm going to be hosting a two-part webinar the last week of April and the first week of May 2025. The class is going to be on circuit analysis. And so during my everyday job, when I'm out in the field assisting repair shops with difficult diagnosis on vehicles, we often find that one of the most common things that hangs up technicians is something that is electrical, but the root cause of that being is a lack of understanding of the circuit or how to properly test and assess what's going on the circuit. And that's where this class is grown from, is the actual stuff out in the field that is hanging up technicians when they're trying to make a diagnosis on a car to an electrical system. So we're going to start with some just general mindset that I take into every diagnosis that I do when it's electrical related, how I analyze and assess the circuit as I'm getting into it. We're going to get into usage of wiring diagrams and also the tooling and the testing that's performed. And we're also going to look at some real life case studies of how this stuff is used and on maybe some of the trickier circuits that we deal with on vehicles, like 5-volt references that are getting shorted out by a sensor or a wire that's rubbed up on ground somewhere. And then also network circuits as well. How do we effectively test and assess these circuits, because it's definitely one of the most common issues that we see out in the field. So anyways, it's going to be a great class, so I hope everybody sign up and check it out.